My name is Martin Puckner. I teach in the English department at Harvard University, and I mostly teach world literature. My students are, and most college classrooms in the US these days are very international. And one of the experiences of teaching world literature is how meaningful it is for international or first generation students or students whose parents were immigrants to have an English class or literature class, because it's no longer just an English class, texts from all over the world where they can connect or where they are suddenly expert because they are from a different part of the world. This work we read, for example. I feel like one of the great advantages of a world literature class is that it does really prepare students for a global world, because through literature they have access to something like the DNA of culture. You know, if you read a foundational text from a culture, you really understand it on a very fundamental level, and that allows you to operate, I think, in a kind of global economy with much greater ease and much more respect and understanding than if you hadn't taken such a class. And I think that's perhaps its most important value in the end. It's not about literary technique or even interpretation. It's about that cultural experience.